Why the eggplant is green? Murag saging siya. Saging na hilaw. Patatas. Agad patatas. Tapos lagamay nga eggplant. Gamatoy. Naslip bunot-bunot diri tanawa. Magbunot ka, I don't know how much you pay, and then the prices are, yeah, murag tanduay, then napoy money. See? Ay! Here, see? That's all?
What the plan is, I'll tell you the plan.
What's the plan?
We like that yoga studio, so maybe we try to buy that, and we buy a little condo in Chiang Mai. Then we can rent both on Airbnb, and we can swing between one and the other when it's rented. And obviously, they're not going to be rented both in the same time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you can go up and down and up.
There's a seasonal kasi when you...
Yeah.
There are
So,
times that you cannot live here in the mountain because of the burning season.
Yeah, so...
It's the plan. Yes, pinag-asad. Oo. Nice siya, oo. So, I'm gonna have a new, set of pictures sa ako ang Patreon. I'm working it now. Yes, ulan na naman. Kumusta ang weather dito sa inyo, ha? Dito sa Thailand, ga ulan-ulan na. Keep safe, everyone.